In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Pinterest's download history. While Pinterest doesn't show a simple built-in download history page, you can review the activity Pinterest keeps for your account by requesting your data. I'll walk you through the exact path to get there, along with helpful context so everything makes sense. Start by opening a web browser and going to Pinterest.com. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account you want to review. Using a desktop browser is usually the easiest because the menus are clear and consistent, but a mobile browser can work too if you request the desktop site. Give the page a moment to fully load so all the navigation appears. Next, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click Settings. Depending on your layout, this may appear as a gear icon or within an account menu. If you don't immediately see it, hover near your profile picture or the bottom left area and the Settings option should be there. This is where Pinterest groups most of your account controls, including privacy and data options. Inside Settings, find and select your privacy rights. This section is specifically designed to help you manage how Pinterest handles your data. Think of it as the control room for your information, what Pinterest collects, how it's used, and where you can access or request a copy of it. Since we're interested in reviewing activity that can help you understand your downloads, this is the right place to be. Now click Request Data. When you do this, Pinterest begins preparing an export of your account information. This export is typically delivered as a downloadable file sent to the email address associated with your account. It can take some time, anywhere from a few minutes to longer, depending on the size of your account and current processing times. Keep an eye on your inbox and remember to check spam or junk folders just in case. The contents of the export can vary, but it's intended to include activity linked to your account. Reviewing that data can help you understand what you've interacted with and may include details relevant to your downloads, depending on your region and Pinterest's current policies. A few tips as you go. Ensure you're using the account you actually use for saving and downloading content, keep your browser updated so the settings pages display properly, and be patient while the data is prepared. If something looks different on your screen, Pinterest may have refreshed the layout, but the path, Pinterest.com, settings, your privacy rights, request data, remains the same. And that's it. By following this path, you'll request the information you need to review your Pinterest download history through your account data.